Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear devotees, today let us know about the importance of mastery of the senses. Indriya Nigrahatvam. Mastery of the senses means Indriya Nigrahatvam. Our Shastra says, Indriyani paranyahu Indriyebhyah param manaha. Indriyani paranyahu. That means the senses are superior to the gross body. Indriyebhyah param manaha. That means the mind is more superior to the senses. So our Shastra says, for our worldly and spiritual progress, the control over the senses through our mind is must. This is called mastery of the senses. Without this mastery of the senses, we cannot achieve anything, especially in our spiritual life. In this regard, our Shastra says, Maunao rata Shrutatapodhyayana swadharma vyakhya Aho japa samadhaya apavargya Prayaha param purushate tvajitendriyana Varta bhavantyuta Navatratu dambhikana. Maunavrata shruta tapodhyena swadharma vyakhyaha aho japa samadhaya apavargyaha. Here our Shastra says Mauna. Maunam means silence. To get a control over the mind, to attain the purity of our mind, this silence play a very, very important role in our life. For our stress-free mind, each and everyone can practice this silence at least once in a week. So silence, next one is Ratam. Maunam Rata. Ratam means vows. Our Shastra suggests several ratas for our external and internal purification. For example, Brahmacharya Ratam, Chaturmasya Ratam, Ekadashi Ratam, Krishna Janmashtami Ratam, Mahashivratri Ratam, Narasimha Jayanti Ratham, etc., etc., etc. These Ratham are mainly for external and internal purification. Mauna Vrata Shruta. Shruta means scholarship. Tapassu. Tapas means austerity. Maunam Vrata Shruta Tapodhyayana. Adhyayana means study of the scriptures. Adhyayana, study of the scriptures. Maunam Vrata Shruta Tapodhyayana Sadharma, discharge of duty. Vyakhyaha, teaching. Ahojapa Samadhaya. Ahojapa Samadhaya, Ekanta Seva, living in solitude, Ekanta Seva, Japa, repetition of mantras, Samadhi, practice of concentration. Our Shastra says these are the 10 reputed means of spiritual attainment. Next, our Shastra says, Prayah Paraha Purushate Tojitendriyanam Varta Bhavantyuta Ravatratu Dambikana. That means, here our Shastra categorically says that for those who have no mastery of the senses, these 10 reputed means of spiritual attainment get reduced to a mere show for earning livelihood. At present, we can see this everywhere in our society. Finally, we can say that without the mastery of the senses, we cannot achieve anything in our spiritual life. Hence, all of you, for your fruitful life, must try to cultivate this mastery of the senses in your life. This is the Hitopadesham for the day. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. Narayana Narayana Narayana.